Morning students, today we are going to learn about the topic is fraction, another part. Okay, use the vocabulary as half, quarter, 3/4, semi, partial and whole. Half means 1 by 2, quarter means 1 by 4, 3/4, 3 by 4. Okay, use the vocabulary as half, quarter, 3/4, semi, partial and whole. Section. Ravi had 2 children. He bought a pencil for Kabilan and a pomegranate for Agilan. Okay. So Ravi had 2 children. 2 children named Kabilan and Agilan. Okay. He does not have pencil. So here listen. The Kabilan having the pencil and Agilan having the pomegranate. But Agilan did not having the pencil. Okay, so he does not have pencil. Then Kabilan said, I will give you a pencil. So Kabilan said, I give one pencil for Agilan. So Kabilan, he cuts the new pencil into 2 halves, give to his brother. So Kabilan take a pencil and cut it. It is divided into 2 parts. So one part of the pencil is given to Agilan. Okay. So his brother Agilan, and another half he kept himself. Do you understand clearly? Next. Agilan was very thankful to Kabilan. So Agilan say very happy and thankful to the Kabilan. So he said he will give him 1/4 or quarter part of the pomegranate to him. So he decided one part the pomegranate having the whole part. Yes. So 1 by quarter part. I give 1/4 part of the pomegranate to his brother. Okay. So Agilan cut the fruit into 2 halves and he took 1 half and once again cut into 2 equal parts as quarter. Now Agilan gave 1/4 portion to Kabilan and he kept 3/4 for himself. Do you understand? The pomegranate, this is the pomegranate. It is divided into half part. So half part. Now he give quarter part only. He give quarter part only to give his brother. Okay. Introduction. Ravi had 2 children. He bought a pencil for Kabilan and a pomegranate for Agilan. He does not have pencil. Then Kabilan said, I will give you a pencil. So he cut the new pencil into 2 halves, gives to his brother Agilan, and another half he kept himself. Agilan was very thankful to Kabilan. So he said that he will give him 1/4 or quarter part of the pomegranate to him. Agilan cut the fruit into 2 halves and he took 1 half and once again cuts into 2 equal parts as quarter. Now Agilan gave 1/4 portion to Kabilan and he kept 3/4 for himself. Listen carefully, children. Ravi had 2 children. Ravi's children name is Kabilan and Agilan. So he bought a pencil for Kabilan. Okay. He bought a pomegranate for Agilan. But Agilan does not have any pencil. So Kabilan said, I will give half pencil for Agilan. So he decided to take a pencil and cut it into 2 parts. Okay. So half part pencil only giving to Agilan. Then Agilan is very happy. Okay. Then Agilan decided, I will give him quarter part of the pomegranate. Okay, quarter part of the pomegranate. So Agilan cut the fruit into 2 halves. Then he took one half of the fruit. So once again, he cut two equal parts. Now, Ahilan gave quarter part of the pomegranate for Kabila. Okay. Now, Kabilan is very happy. Students, turn the page number 44. Ask the students to take a ribbon and cut it as half into 1/4 and join 1/2 and 1/4 to make 3/4. At last, join all portion. It's make whole. This is the activity. Can we do this? Half into a whole. Half into a whole. Okay. So here half portion only given. You make it once again half you draw. So it make it a whole. Okay. Half into a whole. The above picture are divided into two equal parts. It is divided into two equal parts. Every parts represent half or semi. So we call it as half or semi. Okay, so the half portion only, the whole portion is the whole portion. It is divided into half, 1/2, two equal parts. So this portion is called half, okay, or semi. Exercise 6.4. Color or shade half portion of the following picture. Half, how did you write? 1/2. Okay, half, it is represent 1/2. Now, the first picture. Now, here listen, is the whole, then it is divided into half. It is divided into half. Now, you shaded the half portion. Okay, and next picture also, it is divided half, then shade it. Then here, rectangle, first short circle, triangle, rectangle. Then half portion only shaded. Here what is this? This is the one fruit, pomegranate. Okay. So it is divided into two parts. Next, what is this portion? This is the circle. Circle, it is divided into two half. Next, here listen, the square shape, it also having two, it is divided into two parts. Okay. So half. So color or shade half portion of the following picture. Half portion of the following picture. Okay. Next, Roman letter 2. Tick the picture that represent semi portion. Semi means what? Half. H-A-L-F. Half. Or how did you write? 1/2. Okay. So semi portion. Now you see some pictures are there. Now you understand the semi portions. What pictures are having the semi portion, that only you tick it. Okay. So first one, half portion only shaded. So it's correct. Tick the picture. Okay. Next, it is divided into two parts, but it does not having two parts. So this is wrong. Second, third one, it is divided into two. So half portion. It also having half portion. So you mark it tick. Next, here also half portion, it is half portion, but it does not having there. So you mark it wrong. Then here listen, it is divided into two. So the half portion only shaded. So you mark it tick. Next, here half portion only, mark it there. So you mark it tick. Okay. Next, here it is a triangle. Yes, a triangle does not having the half portions. So it's wrong. Okay. Write appropriately which represent half, quarter, 3/4. Half, quarter, 3/4. Half 1/2, quarter 1/4, 3/4. So 3/4. 3/4. Now here listen, the first picture. You see the first picture. Here how many portions? Whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3 portions only shaded. 1, 2, 3. So 3/4. Okay. Now here how many portions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only one part only shaded. So 1/4. Okay. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Here only one portion only shaded. So 1 by 4. Next, here listen. 1, 2. 1, 2. Two parts are having, but half portion only shaded. So 1 by 2. Okay. Next here. It is divided 2 parts. So 1 by 2. Okay. Next here listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half portion only shaded. So 1 by 4. Here 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. One portion only shaded. So 1 by 2. Are you understand clearly? Page number 45. Able to define fraction. Define fraction. Okay. Swati is studying 4th standard. Today is her birthday. So the whole class bought a birthday cake for her. In front of her class teacher and student, Swati cuts her birthday cake. In her class, how many students? 19 students and a teacher. Totally 19 students and a teacher. So 19 plus 1. So 20. Okay. So she cut the cake. Teacher. Students, you bought a cake. Here, cake is a whole part. Now, the cake is a whole part. Swati divided the whole into 20 equal parts. 20 equal parts. Everybody had a part. So, everybody had a piece of cake. Okay. So, Swati is studying 4th standard. He celebrated the birthday celebration in our classroom. So, she designed the cake to divide into 20 pieces. Okay. So, the whole is divided into 20 equal parts. A piece of cake given to one student is 1 out of 20. So, one student is 1 out of 20. How did you write? We can write 1 divided by 20. 1 out of 20. So, 1 divided by 20. If we have numbers 1 divided by 20 like this, then we call it a fraction. In 1 by 20, here 1 is the numerator, 20 is the denominator. Understand clearly? 1 is the numerator and 20 is the denominator. 20 is the whole part. Okay. But 1 is divided. It is the divided part and it is the collected portion also. Okay. Thus, combination of number like numerator and denominator is called a fraction. Understand clearly? Numerator and denominator is called fraction. So, a fraction is how many parts or parts of a whole we have. Fraction is equal to formula numerator by denominator. Understand clearly? Fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. What is numerator? Collected portion. What is denominator? Divided portion. Okay. Friends, now here listen carefully. Observe the following picture. A circle is divided into 4 equal parts. The circle, it is divided into how many parts? 4 equal parts. In this 4 parts, only one part is shaded. Here only one part only shaded. The shaded portion in fraction. So, how many parts totally? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, now you write 4 and only one part only shaded. So, 1 by 4 or 1/4. Okay. So, division of a whole and definition. Here, the whole portion was divided into 2 equal parts. In this 2 equal part, one part is colored or shaded. The shaded parts fraction is equal to 1 by 2. Here listen. This is the whole part. It is divided into 2 parts. So, only one part only divided. So, 1 divided by 2. Here also listen. 1, 2. So, you write 2 in the denominator. Only one part only shaded. So, 1 divided by 2. Next, the whole portion was divided into 3 equal parts. In that, 2 parts are shaded. The shaded part fraction is equal to 2 by 3. Here listen, in this diagram 1, 2, 3. Totally how many parts? 3 parts. Here 2 parts only shaded. So 3 parts, totally 3 parts. So you write in the denominator. Next the shaded part 1, 2. So now you write 2 by 3. Okay. Then here listen 1, 2, 3. So 2 parts only shaded 2 by 3. Okay. So otherwise it is called 2/3. Next. The whole portion was divided into 4 equal parts. In that 2 parts are shaded. The shaded parts fraction is equal to 2 by 4. This is called 2/4. Now here listen, in this diagram 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 you are writing the denominator. How many parts shaded? 2 parts. So 2 by 4. Here listen 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 parts only shaded. So 2 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4. And 2 parts only shaded. So 2 by 4. Okay. Next, the whole portion was divided into 8 equal parts. In that 3 parts are shaded. The shaded portion fraction is equal to 3 by 8. So here listen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8. 3 parts only shaded. So 3 by 8. Here listen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 parts. But here how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 8. Okay. Here listen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 parts. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 parts only shaded. So how did you write? 3 by 8. So 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 3 by 8. Such numbers are the example of fraction. These are the example of the fraction. Exercise 6.5. Write the fraction for the shaded portions of the given figures. Here 1, 2, 3. First picture 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4. Only one part only shaded. So 1 by 4. Here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8. Here 3 parts only shaded. Yes, so 3 by 8. Here listen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 8. And here how many parts are shaded? 2 parts. So 2 by 6. Here listen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 parts. Here how many parts are shaded? 3. So 3 by 7. Here listen 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and how many parts are shaded? 1, 2. So 2 by 4. Okay. Turn the next page. Page number 47. Shade the figure according to the fraction. Here listen 3 by 4. So in this picture how many portions? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and how many portions are shaded? 3 portions. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here listen 5 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whole it is divided 10. And how many portions are shaded? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 by 10. Next here listen 1 by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Only one portion only shaded. So 1 by 8. Here totally 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 2 by 6. Totally 6. Here 2 portions only shaded. 2 by 6. Do you understand clearly, students? Thank you. Today class is over.